Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to review the latest ATGFOX portable power bank and battery jump starter. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. I just want to thank ATGFOX for sending me their latest portable power bank and 8,200 amp battery jump starter. The thing is about having a Jaguar and performance car sometime in the winter time, like this one, a cold day, the battery runs out. When you go somewhere and you park for a long time and you forgot about your car, guess what? When you try to start your car, it will die, right? The battery, and you can't start your car. But ATGFOX sent me this a while back and I've been testing it and I love it. The thing about this, not only it is a jump starter, it is also, hold on, a power bank. Look at this, how small it is. And it is super light. One thing I love about this is the fact that it comes with a nice case. There are many times when this Jaguar ran out of battery power and I got stuck on the road because I didn't have jump starter. With this one, check this out. It's super easy to use. I'm gonna remove this plastic. You just have to go to the battery, which is in the back right there, and plug this thing to the ATGFOX port right here. It's super easy to use, guys, and you need this for emergency like tool in your car because you don't want to get stuck, especially in the winter time when everything is cold and you just have to click the power button right there and then make sure you connect it, you know, like the negative right here and the positive right there, and then there you go. Now we go ahead and go to the car. The thing is, usually in the past, the battery jump starter is only like 2,000 to 3,000 amp. This is 8,250. It's just like that. It doesn't take much to power your car with 8,250 amp. And that's it. And the cool thing about this, let's say you forget your power bank for your phone. You can get USB cable, open this, and voila! Now you can power USB devices or recharge your phone. So let's say you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and your phone power runs out, which happens a lot, right? You forget to recharge your phone and you go somewhere and you try to make a phone call and it's gone. And then with this, you can actually recharge your phone with this, or power what do you call it, USB devices with this. Even charge your laptop. That's right, as long as your laptop has the USB-C output right there, and it comes with it too in the box. So yeah, this is super good, guys. It's super compact and it's really nice with all this feature right here, and it doesn't take much to store. So yeah, it's like, that's it. There are only two buttons here, and then you can use, oh look, see, then you can, you know, there's a flashlight too, so just in case you needed to see things at night. So yeah, this is super good, guys, and the cool thing about this is really compact. So yeah, again guys, you gotta get this as part of your car emergency kit, because you need this just in case your car battery die and you don't have to get stuck. And now if your phone run out of battery power, you can recharge it using the power bank. So anyway, thank you so much again guys for watching and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.